3 go.
Thank you, Sir Kim and Mr. Jin Kim, and to all subscribers and thank you.
For giving 4,600. Thank you, Mr. Kimakanim, for giving this evangelist. And also, Mr. Jin Kim, thank you. And all the sponsors.
Okay, for now, have remaining money 1,000 pesos. Okay. Angeline, thank you, Mr. Kim Hakang. Thank you, Mr. Kim Hakang. The grocery of Mr. Ito Sergeant Kim. We have a berry and also the cheese ring and also rich cheese. Sama unahan. This is chicken loaf, biscuit and Milo and milk. And also the tukan and also the 1 kg. That's all. The remaining money, Sergeant Kim, 1,031 pesos. I give the remaining money for Mr. Rito. Ikaw rin, Sergeant, thank you. Mr. Kim Hak. Thank you. Say bye. Bye to all Korean subscribers. Hello to all Korean subscribers. Hello, Mr. Jin Kim. This is the grocery of Angelo. She have inipit, lemon, and also cocoa honey, bird's tree, and also berbram. And also 1 pack of wrapper cheese, and also 1 pack of Bravo, and also hot dog and chicken loaf, 2 packs of chicken loaf, and also chicken, and also 2 beef of noodles, and 3 pieces of pancit canton, and all half tray of egg, and also 3 can of corned beef. That's all. Hello to all Korean subscribers. I'm here. Nice girl to my daughter. Welcome, Bonbon. Keisha, she want to go to school, but she have a seat, but she want to go to school. She don't want to absent. For now, I go to the classroom of Keisha Jane. She don't like absent. Go to picture to take She's not feeling well. She's not feeling well. But she wants to go to school. She wants to attend the class. Bye, Korean subscribers.